I'm Katie from Create, Play, Travel. Our family took our kids down to Arizona for a 3-month road trip. We did homeschool in the mornings, went on a lot of family hikes, and found many family adventures along the way. Our Arizona family adventures in January took us to a collection of state parks and RV boondocking campgrounds. We also found a lot of fun kids activities. Camping at Lost Dutchman State Park was a really fun experience because we had a spacious campsite and a lot of hiking trails that we could explore very close by. Hi, Frankie. That's right, we brought our cat on a hike. Arizona is a beautiful place to explore in January. During our stay, the weather ranged from 50 to 80 degrees, a nice contrast from our typical snow back in North Idaho. At Lost Dutchman State Park, we explored a lot of the hiking trails around our campsite.
Always an adventure.
Another afternoon, we took the kids on a longer 4-mile hike up Siphon Draw Trail. We found a good little hike for our kids near our campsite at Lost Dutchman State Park. It's called Siphon Draw Trail. We're going to see how far we can safely make it up the mountain.
She's got some like little caves that look like eye sockets.
I kind of see the eye.
Isn't that funny?
And I kind of see the teeth a little bit.
Yeah.
Lost Dutchman State Park is famous for a lost gold mine rumored to be hidden somewhere in these mountains. Although we were wary of finding a rattlesnake, we were also relieved to hear that they aren't very active this time of year.
Hi guys. Good job.
Wow, it's a cave.
All this.
Snakes
Find
live
a
up
way to
there.
find them.
Now I can fit in it. It's an adventure. And then capping up the pirate ship. Be careful, guys.
Those are cool. Right now we're hiking down this little valley in between cliffs. So if it started to rain, we probably would want to get out of here, because this is where all the water runs off the mountain down through these gullies. This is a great place for kids to learn how to go bouldering. I like your 3 pairs of sunglasses, so stylish. Which one will you wear first?
Thanks. Mary, the girls were too burdened by carrying their own sunglasses on the way down.
Wow, help, help. Keep watch, Daddy. This is fun because it's hard.
Joshua, You're not cleaning off your orange smiles very well. After Lost Dutchman State Park, we boondocked in our RV on someone's private property. Our host was very generous and even let us pick some citrus from his front yard. Our cat really enjoyed hanging out by the lemon tree near our RV front door. Our boondocking spot in town was a great launching pad for doing activities in the city. The kids especially enjoyed going to Uptown Jungle, an indoor kids jungle gym and trampoline park. There's nothing that provides better exercise than scaling a rock climbing wall, or 6. Our errands also took us to Costco and to Mary's Mountain Cookies in Scottsdale, Arizona.
I'm having this one, Molly.
Got it? Whoa. Yeah, find one to do. Remember, the middle ones make good choices.
Other afternoons, the kids played board games, and one day we stopped by a local nature center. I don't think we want to meet this guy in the wild.
Look at the tail right here. The rattlesnake's tail is right near the front of his cage on that one, a red speckled rattlesnake.
Look at this rattlesnake.
Yep, that's another one of the same kinds.
Daddy, I want to look at this. That one looks really cool.
Look where you're going to see if you can hear where it's coming from. Because that means the rattlesnake is scared.
I want to push.
Look at the scales on this guy. But he looks a little bit bored. What if you saw him behind a rock? What would you do?
I would want to wait.
We're going to BJ's for dinner. We used to go to BJ's a lot when we lived near Seattle. Andy's favorite part is always getting a pizookie after dinner, which is a giant cookie with ice cream.
This is so chocolatey, I could never eat a whole pizookie.
We're rolling out to our next location. Where are we going?
Usery Mountain Regional Park.
Our next boondocking location was at Usery Mountain Regional Park. At this campsite, we did have power hookups, but we didn't have water. Also, we discovered we were very much camping in the desert, complete with all the desert plants. Pretty much everything here is prickly. We're camping among the spiky death shrubs. And I call them that because we got some of these stuck to us earlier and they're not easy to get off. They all have little individual barbs that dig into your skin. So we have to be careful when walking around here with our kids and with our cat. We're going to the campground shower house to take showers. When we're boondocking, we're often dry camping, and our RV only holds 100 gallons of water in the water tank. Going to a campground with a shower house is a great time for everyone to clean up. Oh yeah, this is pretty nice. It's been about 4 days since we last took a shower, so I guess that means we're officially camping.
And make it all squeaky clean.
Our campsite at Usery Mountain Regional Park was actually pretty spacious. Our kids set up their play area next to the RV, and we tethered our cat to the front door so he could wander a bit. Unfortunately, Frankie wandered more than we intended. Our cat escaped the RV. Fortunately, he often comes when we whistle for him, and he's probably not going to run very far. Frankie, buddy! You escaped the RV! We don't want you to get tangled up in all these prickly plants around here. Come on out, buddy! Come here, Frankie! If you get cactus all in your fur, you're not going to like it. Frankie, what are you doing? Frankie? Yeah. Frankie, we want you to go on an adventure, but we don't want you to get stuck somewhere. Come on, Frankie. Come on out. You're so adventurous, you know that? Yeah, I know. You probably got a prickly in your paw, didn't you? Ow. He also has a sticker in his paw.
We want to see.
See that? Can you get that off of him? You gotta be careful when exploring. That's a great place to hang out, guys.
I'm gonna break open a geode. I say, uh-oh. Wow. Don't. Here.
Wow, that looks really cool. We also visited the Arizona Museum of Natural History in Mesa, where the kids learned about dinosaurs, panned for gold, and even visited the cells of Mesa's old territorial jail.
Yeah, did you find something?
What did you find? Ooh, treasure. Are you going to jail?
Yep, lock me in my
That does not look very comfortable to sleep on.
Don't lock me in here really quick.
20 years in prison for you, little missy. 20 years in prison. Let's go back this way, kids. Not this way yet. All very comfortable, is it?
Help, we're in jail! We enjoyed learning some interesting details about the natural and cultural history of central Arizona and the greater Southwest area. Real dinosaur? Whoa, that is crazy.
I want to see it, Daddy.
Wow.
Dad, but it's just not going to do it. When it's
Come up there, I think.
what?
This is a really cool bookstore. Alright, so we're looking for some kids' books that maybe you could read on our trip.
2 of the black keys. And this is fun. What's that one?
Ooh, Nancy Drew books. Oh, wait, weren't we going to read Mystery of the Lilac Inn next?
Yeah.
We've already read the first 2. That's exciting.
No, this is let's see. I'm gonna go down the bridge.
Cool bridge. This is a fun playground.
This is so fun. I never been here before.
You can fit down the slide. Who's gonna go down first?
All go down together as a long train. No kicking, Joshua.
Go slowly.
Kira's first.
I'll go.
Go.
Now Josh is sit right here with me.
Ow!
Do it again, Daddy.
Oh, no, I'm good.
Is somebody already up again?
Yep.
I saw you.
Hi, Sylvie. Silly. Why are your shoes off? How did it feel to go down the twisty slide?
Slightly nauseous. Felt like it was gonna go on forever. And I'm glad it's over.
All aboard the Hogwarts Express!
I'm making a card for my cousin.
Despite the generally nice temperature, we did have a couple days where it rained in the desert and even hailed and snowed, which was an experience in and of itself. Wow, it's really coming down out here.
Right here, look at the shelter.
The shelter?
Yep. It's sure windy out here.
Yeah. It's like a monsoon out here. Of course the kids want to be out exploring in this weather, but I just got soaked through in like a matter of minutes. Today the kids are checking out the Rush Fun Park. These indoor activity centers, such as Uptown Jungle and Rush Fun Park, were great places for our kids to burn off some energy, especially on cold and rainy days. We were even able to purchase discounted tickets through Groupon.
I'm gonna do the obstacle course. On our road trip, we created a new normal for our daily routine. After homeschool in the mornings, we often went to a park to get some fresh air, took the kids on a hike, or did some other family activity. In the evenings, we sometimes had a family movie night in our RV. One afternoon, we got haircuts and Kira and I got a pedicure. We found many fun and inexpensive activities to do near Phoenix, Arizona, and we tried to alternate paid activities with family hikes and scenic drives. This will keep the kids busy for a while. Next, we're headed to Tucson, Arizona, and our next boondocking spots at Gilbert Lake Campground near Saguaro National Park, followed by Catalina State Park. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. And for more creative ideas, visit createplaytravel.com. Thanks for watching!